Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Begin by preparing the earbuds for pairing with your phone. Hold both earbuds in the charging case and press the power button for 5 seconds. Look for a blinking white LED or a voice prompt that says pairing mode. If you have single earbud mode, remove only the left or right earbud from the case. Keep the earbuds within 3-5 inches of your phone during the initial pairing process to ensure a strong connection. Open your phone settings and turn Bluetooth on before scanning for devices. Tap Bluetooth and wait 10 to 20 seconds for the phone to discover nearby devices. When the earbud's name appears, select it from the list and confirm any pairing code or PIN if prompted. Accept permissions for audio and phone calls when the phone requests access. Wait until the phone displays connected or shows a small Bluetooth icon in the status bar to begin audio playback. If pairing fails repeatedly, reset the earbuds by holding the power button for 12 seconds. On your phone, choose the earbuds entry in Bluetooth and tap Forget or Remove to clear old pairings. Charge the earbuds to at least 20% battery before trying again to avoid power-related drops. Stay within 3 to 6 feet of the phone while reconnecting to prevent interference. If problems continue, reboot your phone and repeat the pairing steps from the beginning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.